everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shaivya from Meraki. So this week I'm going to share something that are related to Diwali decorations. We have our Festival of Lights coming next Saturday. Yeah, coming Saturday. And this week जो भी मैं videos share करने वाली हूँ, they are going to be either related to Diwali decor or how do I create candles at home or how do I create small little diyas at home. And so starting from today I'm going to make a small incense sticks holder using this clay. And this is the same sculpey clay that I used in my original decor, that wall hanging where I created multiple small discs. तो आज मैं clay से एक incense sticks holder बनाने जा रही हूँ. So as usual पहले आपको clay को knead करना पड़ेगा so that it is warm. अभी it is not in the proper shape. Okay. Now since clay थोड़ा soft हो गया है, now अब हम इसको थोड़ा सा flat करेंगे. When you have the desired thickness and the length of the clay ready, you can put a scale on the top of it and remove from the edges. Okay, now this is ready. With the help of an incense stick, just make a small hole on each one of the sides. Just like this. Now what I need, take your baking tray, aluminum foil length, now with the help of a pen, just इसको roll करते हैं. Like this. Okay. Looks like it is perfectly set. Okay, अब हम इसको बेक करेंगे for about 15 to 20 minutes depending upon आपके clay पे baking instructions क्या हैं. तो let's go. Out of the oven and pretty hot right now. I'm going to let it cool down for some time and then I'm going to paint it. Okay, now since this is dry, I'm going to paint it using this acrylic color. It's yellow pink. I wanted it to be very subtle, soft color, so I'm going to paint it pink. done. Now we'll wait for some time for it to dry out.